A quick introduction how you can use, how you should start using the Kangen machine and make the most of all the waters. It may look too confusing with all these buttons on the machine, and therefore I'll give you a quick introduction. You might be having this machine, this model, or you might be having our best top model, which is the K8, but the buttons would be exactly the same and they would do the exact same thing. So we always recommend for people to start drinking the water first of all, and then you'll learn to use all the other buttons. Start drinking from the pH 8.5, then move up to the pH 9, and then to 9.5. There is no race to go up as very quickly, but the intention and the goal is to go up and start drinking the 9.5 water. Now, we always recommend to start from 8.5 because it is an alkalizing water, and therefore it might be a little bit of a shock to your body. Even if you tried the water before, when the water you drink from the fresh from the tap, it's most powerful with most antioxidants and highest alkalinity. So therefore, we always recommend to start from 8.5 and slowly start moving up in a few days' time, or even in a few weeks' time. As I said before, there is no race whatsoever, so don't rush it and just listen to your body and look how you feel. If you start feeling a little bit dizzy or maybe tired, reduce the water and go back to the lower again. We recommend not to drink, you should not be drinking the alkalizing water with your foods. It's not good. Actually, water drinking with the food is not good in general. It's very heavy on your stomach. But because the water is alkalizing and your stomach is acid, it needs acid to digest the food. When you drink alkaline water, it makes even harder to digest the food for your stomach, so it's much harder work for your stomach. Therefore, you should be drinking only half an hour with the water, half an hour before a meal and or half an hour after. If you feel that you really need to drink the water, then we recommend to drink the clean water, which is only the filtered water. It's not alkalized and it doesn't have all the other powerful effects. With these waters, the drinking waters of pH 8.5, 9 or 9.5, whichever one you're using, you should be using them for all the cooking as well. Your teas, your coffees, your soups, your stews, you name it. Anything you're cooking and making in the kitchen, we always use and recommend you be using these kind of waters for your cooking. Your distributor would normally provide you with this kind of instruction as well on the table, which would remind you again what kind of usages are for each and every water. And that's that. Make the most of the machine and enjoy the water. Change your water, change your life.